Hey guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into Layer AI, LAI, coin and why it's finally bouncing in 2025. We'll break down its price analysis, key fundamentals, and whether this could be the true bottom for LAI. Let's get started. LAI coin launched in 2023 and quickly gained traction in the crypto space. Built on a ZK Layer 2 blockchain, it offers improved scalability and privacy, making it a strong contender in the decentralized AI data market. Currently, LAI coin has a total supply of 10 billion tokens, with 40% allocated for user rewards. A portion of its AI marketplace revenue is used for buybacks and burns, creating a deflationary effect that could push prices higher over time. So, what's next for LAI coin's price? According to market predictions, LAI could reach 10 cents in the near future. Its ecosystem spans multiple industries, including fitness applications, gaming, and AI data services, increasing its real-world utility. One of LAI coin's biggest strengths is community engagement. Regular updates, transparent communication, and decentralized governance keep the project moving forward. Token holders have voting rights, ensuring that major upgrades are driven by the community. LAI coin's journey from a meme coin to a major AI data player showcases the fast-evolving nature of the crypto market. With a strong technological foundation and increasing real-world applications, LAI is a cryptocurrency worth watching in 2025 and beyond. Is this the true bottom for LAI coin? The ZK Layer 2 blockchain and AI-driven demand suggests strong long-term potential. But as always, the crypto market remains highly volatile, so stay informed and do your own research. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe to our channel for more updates on LAI coin and other cryptocurrencies. Thanks for watching.